Hello, this is the first video for this YouTube channel. I am Pulvin, and yeah, this is gonna be mainly Minecraft channel. Yeah, Minecraft channel and probably some other games. And I am a not too technical Minecraft player, I would call myself. The other people probably call me something else. No, well, in this video I am creating my main storage, as you can see. It's not much to it, it's just quite simple. I just put a lot of things I found in the store stack archive on Discord, and it can hold about 45 million items, I think it was. Yeah, like 45 million items. I might need to double check here. It's gonna be correct in the description. And it's very future proofed. Like, I'd say way too future proofed. Each hole is 60 blocks, and the normal holes are the Command Leo's 8. Command Leo's 8 items specialized holes, and then the bulk is just 2 items. So yeah, it's not much more to the store system. It's occasions 144 item, 144 furnace array is called, not item array. And yeah, it took me way too long to build it, mainly because I'm lazy. And yeah, so yeah, so it took me like, what would it take, like 2 months to build it. And also when I made it, I mean, I built it more than a month ago. It was completed more than a month ago. It was cool. And me being lazy that I wasn't just making the video. And also another video that I had to make for school that I haven't made. So you might have noticed I'm not that good at talking about like just what I can see. It took only a week to get 2 of every item, and this store has autolocker, though the items specialized by Command Leo, and I forgot who made the bulk storage. Then it's a Project 144 furnace array, and a modified Ilmango's mass crafter. And hasn't come yet, but it's Glotz's 16x parallel unloading array. And then the chunk loaders that also haven't been built yet. This Kahyksens, I think his name was. Yeah, something like that. But his item-based chunk loaders. Yeah, I think it was him. I have to check. But I'll check. It's gonna be correct in the description. But yeah, yeah, not too much more to talk about storage. Yeah. You might have already seen the backgrounds on like villager pods. They were meant for iron farm. They were built that I haven't built. I'm not gonna build that one because although I probably didn't need to, it wasn't like chunk aligned. So in the future I'm just gonna make it even faster. Probably like that one that Woonpa is making right now, the 430,000 per hour one. But of course I will need to do a lot of things in other side. Definitely not the next video. Next video will be 3 options basically. Honey farm, cobblestone farm, or also called world tour. World tour probably be the best one. Yeah. So, and I probably will also be streaming. Yeah. Yeah, and if you want to build this, no, don't build this design that I myself made. Just go on Source Discord and find some other better. Just any of those are probably better than this one. Find one is future proof, has a bulk, and it's good for you. Because I wanted to make one that was made for me. This won't work for you. And yeah. I mean, it might work for you, but probably won't. Because I'm a bit overkill. I have 120 of bulk sorters. And yeah, I'm not good at talking this, so probably gonna be a lot of silence. So yeah, took like a week of designing. I did this back in August 2025. What is it now? While recording this, February 11th. So you know, quite a while. Quite a while now. I mean, the biggest reason why it took so long is, you know, the sorters. It took like a week, or if I really, once I really just wanted it done, it took maybe like a day. Like when I just didn't really care, it took like a week. Cause also when I halfway through building this, my friend started a Minecraft server that was just grinding on, but that has stopped. Or I mean, there is still Minecraft server, but yeah, will not make videos on mine, or not on that Minecraft server, but there's maybe some other in the future. So yeah, it will probably. Yeah, I have no idea what I was gonna say. Yeah, but this also the item layout on this stores is not good. Probably worst layout ever made. At first I was way too lazy to make my own layout, so I just took it from KSM's storage, just put it here, then put the new item, so it didn't not become that good though when I did that. So instead of doing that, you should probably make your own layout. Will not be linking this. I will link all the stuff I used. And of course, when I built this, I used Litematica, cause without, it probably would take more than a year. Yeah, I will never stop using Litematica. Everyone uses Litematica also. So it's not, I would not classify it as cheating. Some people probably would. Yeah. And yeah, the as I see right now, the multi-items are done. Those are the Moonimis V5s. I think there is a newer version that is less laggy, I think. Only. I think it's only less laggy. And not with the weird rail placement. And that took me like half an hour to figure out the rail placement. I know there is a mod, I don't know what it's called, probably like rail placement mod. Probably something like that. It just took me way too long to build this. Way too long. Could have easily, not easily, but this would have been the only thing I was doing then. But done this in like a week or two, but I did it in 2 months, so I don't know if I'll classify that as a win. But yeah. Then there is also the Command Leos unstackable sword. No, I don't know if there are new designs for unstackable, probably are. But yeah. And I don't know if I've said, but there's also a modified version of Ilmango's Mass Crafter. And now, as you see, I accidentally just went into the end. So yeah. Oh, a bit with the end, you may classify this as cheating. I guess it sort of is, but you might have spotted end portal in the middle of the storage, which I did not go in creative. I have always been in hardcore in this world, but before my made perimeter, I imported a chunk that would have an end portal. Yes, so yes, basically for ease of use, it would be correct chunked, and yeah, because if not, it would not be correct, like the chunk borders, because that is like in the center of a chunk, I think. Yeah. Also, this building is like version 2 of what I built, basically, or like I have changed so much. Like first bulk was bigger bulk, but less items could be there. So I couldn't have wood there or concrete, which are obviously bulk items. So I could only have like cobble and that. And in the future, I am thinking of making like a mountain range over this whole perimeter, which is 528 by 528. And I also think the perimeter only took like a month. Yeah, it should be soon, like done building this now. And this is the second time I'm recording this, cause the first time it didn't record, or it only recorded like 50 seconds of it, and this is 15 minutes long. So yeah, there's the parallel unloading array by Glotz, 16 shulker boxes unloading at the same time. No same items can be unloaded at the same time. Yeah. And if you're building like the unloading array, check every container item, because without The what's some wave text is good, I think. But the better like Mathematica mod or thing. Oh yeah, it has ended now, but yeah, the better Mathematica mod thing. You can check it. So yeah, this is the end. All the links will be in the description, and yeah, bye bye.